In the golden hour's embrace, a drone glides gracefully towards a vision of architectural perfection. This is not just a house, it's a statement. An ultra-modern million-dollar sanctuary sculpted from pristine white marble and vast expanses of floor-to-ceiling glass. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues of gold and crimson, its reflection shimmering across the surface of an infinity pool that seems to melt into the ocean beyond. Tall, elegant palm trees stand sentinel, their fronds swaying gently in the evening breeze, while a collection of luxury cars rests in the driveway, their polished surfaces gleaming under the twilight sky. Every detail, from the dramatic shadows cast by the setting sun to the crisp clarity of the 8K cinematic frame, whispers of unparalleled opulence. With a seamless transition, the camera floats through the glass walls, entering a grand living room that defies expectation. A double-height ceiling soars above, from which a magnificent crystal chandelier descends like a cascade of frozen light, scattering prismatic reflections across the polished marble floors. The space is a masterclass in modern design, furnished with bespoke pieces that blend comfort with high art. Through the immense glass walls, the boundless ocean provides a breathtaking, ever-changing backdrop, merging the interior with the natural world outside in a symphony of luxury and tranquility. The journey continues into the heart of the home, a state-of-the-art luxury kitchen. Here, a monolithic marble island serves as the centerpiece, its surface veined with delicate gold that catches the soft, warm light. Sleek, integrated appliances promise culinary excellence, while gold accents on the fixtures and cabinetry add a touch of regal warmth to the modern aesthetic. It is a space designed not just for cooking, but for creating and entertaining, where every detail has been meticulously curated for a life of effortless elegance. Next, we ascend to the private quarters, arriving in a master bedroom that is the epitome of a lavish retreat. A plush, king-size bed faces a panoramic vista of the glittering city skyline, a dazzling tapestry of lights against the dark canvas of the night. The room is a sanctuary of calm, with elegant ambient lighting and a sophisticated interior design that promotes rest and rejuvenation. This is more than a place to sleep. It's a personal haven suspended above the world, offering a front-row seat to the vibrant energy of the city below. As night fully descends, the final scene unfolds on the rooftop terrace, a breathtaking finale to our tour. The infinity pool now glows with an ethereal light, its surface reflecting the star-dusted sky and the distant city lights that twinkle like 1,000 diamonds. A cozy fire pit lounge area invites intimate gatherings, its flames dancing and casting a warm, inviting glow. The air is filled with a sense of serene grandeur, a luxurious ambience captured through cinematic camera movements and dramatic, ultra-realistic 8K lighting. This is the ultimate expression of modern living, a place where dreams are not just imagined, but are vividly, exquisitely lived.